company covers an area of more than 10,000 square meters, with a construction area of more than 17,000 square meters, have a laser cutting machine, machining center, punching machine, bending machine, milling machine, possessing professional and technical personnel, including 12 engineers, a number of salesmen, and 3 after-sales teams, formed an initiative and cooperative team. They can provide the best service for customers, can send engineers for adjustments, training workers. Their main products: spout pouch filling and cap screwing machine, cup filling and sealing machine, coffee capsule powder filling and sealing machine, rotary pouch packing machine, forming bag filling and sealing machine, vertical sachet packing machine for liquid paste powder or granule, bottle filling and capping machine. Their machines are widely used in food, beverage, cosmetics, daily necessities, and other fields. With superior design and advanced technology, their products have passed CE certification of EU. Besides, their machines sell well all over China and are exported United States, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, Ukraine, Russia, Australia, Saudi Arabia, and other countries. They have been to Lithuania, Belarus, Ukraine, and other countries to participate in the exhibition, and have been to the United States, South Korea, North Korea, Indonesia, and other countries to install and debug for customers. Joygoal Machinery tailors a perfect solution for each customer. Sincerely, have willing to cooperate and develop together with you.